Welcome to Ball Creator. In this video I'm gonna show you what to do if you get stuck in a gear in your Lada Niva. This will also work if your gear stick just wobbles around and you can't put it in any gear. So in your car what you have is this part which has a few Phillips head screws to it. So you remove this cover and then you will have this part that goes over the gear stick, and it has 4 screws to it. So you remove it and you unscrew the top of the gear stick and you remove it. Now if you have a 4-speed gearbox, you will have 3 10mm nuts. That's right here, which you remove, and then you can simply lift the gear stick out of the gearbox. And if you have the newer one, 5-speed, you will have I think 6 nuts, and you should only remove the outer ones. You shouldn't touch the inner ones if you have more than 3. So the outer ones you remove, and then you lift it up. So this is what the gear stick assembly looks like when it's out of the car, and it actually is this part down here that puts the gear into position. I have actually replaced this lower part since this part was worn out in my old on my old gear stick, and it might be something that you want to do if you have problems with stuck gears or not being able to put your car into gear. I will now show you what it looks like inside. Yeah, like this. So you have, when the gearbox is in neutral, these all will be aligned up like this, and if you're stuck in a gear, one of these will be pushed forward or backward. And what you do to put it in neutral again is that you simply push them so that they're lined up like this. I'm gonna show you how. So I'll take my screwdriver here and I'll push one of them. So I was able to push this one upwards, and I think that's the reverse. And if you're stuck in a reverse, you simply push it back down like that. And now the gearbox is in neutral. In the same way, if you can't put in a gear, you can push them to I think, like, if you push that one backwards, I think that's the first gear, and so on. I hope this was helpful. Please rate and subscribe if you liked the video.